Hello, in this video I am going to explain how to use your calculator, your TI-83 or 84 for distribution functions in statistics. So the first example that we're going to look at is the normal distribution. And the way that you access the normal distribution is that you go to the distributions menu that is located under the bars or variables. You're going to hit second bars, and then that's going to show you all the different distributions. We're going to talk about the first one, which says normal PDF. The normal PDF computes the probability density function, or PDF, for the normal distribution at a specific x value. The defaults are mean, mu equals 0, and the standard deviation sigma equals to 1. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to do a calculation. At what specific x value do I want to find the probability of, given that mu is 1 and that mu is 0 and sigma is 1. I'm going to scroll down all the way to paste. This is if you have a TI-84. If you have a TI-83, you would kind of see this in the screen right now, and you would have to enter the values 1, comma, the other value, comma, and then the last value. So it goes in the order of the value that you want, mu, and then the standard deviation, right? And comma is located right above 7, so you would have to physically place the comma if you have a TI-83. Once you are done, you would put a parentheses and you would hit enter. You get a number, right? That's the probability of exactly getting an x value that equals to 1 when mu is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. Example number 2, the normal CDF computes the normal distribution probability between a lower bound and an upper bound for the specified mean and the standard deviation sigma. The defaults are 0 and 1. When you click on the normal CDF function, you are going to see in the TI-84 that there are 4 options. There's the lower bound, the upper bound, mu, and sigma. You will see that there's a -1 E99. And what it means is that this is representing negative infinity, or -1 times 10 to the power 99. And it just goes all the way from the left, right? There's no way for you to actually put in infinity in this calculator, so you have to plug in a number that's very, very negative. So if you're trying to figure out that calculation, then you go from the left all the way up to some number, for example 1.5 maybe. You would plug that in, and let's assume that you have a mu of 0 and a sigma of 1. We'll leave those numbers as they are. We hit enter. So if you're in a TI-83 calculator, the function will bring you to this screen, and you have to type in these numbers. You will type in a very large negative number. You can plug in whatever you like. If you are in a TI-83, when you click on the function, it brings you to this screen, and you will have to plug in the options. And it goes in the order of lower bound, upper bound, mu, or the mean value, and sigma, or the standard deviation. If you want to put -1 E99, the E value is going to be located where the comma is. So you plug second comma, and it gives you the option for E. So I'm just going to do it here real quick to show you, but I'm going to delete that. After that, we hit enter, and we get the probability of, or the area under the curve if you come from the left all the way to the right to the value 1.5.